Habajuba bi jingli ba tensong loong ba katkum ke jingpen bana ke sarkar India lengba ke health and family welfare haka arthrik ujali kala panchai be ki he sarkar preng ne ka sarkar jila pagin thopru yo mentri but ki officer kila bantre ki kam hadin bala deptes negative la ra ki one pai na shikwe pat ki jila henry ki hapat ban board party ki kendon kom bala patha dagatrat ka kwat ka khya.
Let me refer to the notification protocols issued by Health Department in line with the protocols issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare from Delhi. The high officials of the state government as well as the central government, be it Prime Minister, be it Chief Ministers, be it Chief Secretaries and the high officials, there is one notification issued by the Health Department dated 2nd June 2020, and there was one provision over there where the high officials undertake any official tours outside the state. When they come back, they need to go for RT-PCR test. They need to go for RT-PCR test, and once that is done, if the report is negative, they are allowed to join back their offices with necessary precautions. That is the notification and that is the protocol as of today. Are you saying that politics is not official? No, you have to define yourself. If you're saying that politics is not official, then you tell me which one is not official. Because politically, he is the president, national president of NPP. Even Mr. Himanta, Minister of Health from Assam, they need to rush back to Manipur due to the political prevailing situation. So they need to sort it out. So I'm telling you, they need to have a solution ultimately. Otherwise, even people of Manipur will suffer. So we treated this as officials. It is officials. Why should you say that it is not officials? No, those who duly registered since last 3 months, they were 10,288. But now, as stated by Honorable Health Minister, the return reaches up to 8,000 plus. So the question of registration right now does not arise. We welcome, we receive those who even does not register prior to their coming. We receive them, and then all the system is in place 24/7.